If you become a helper of hearts, springs of wisdom will flow from your heart. Yes, my dear friends, help each other. My soul and yours are the same. You appear in me, I appear in you. We hide in each other. Here, the Creator is telling this to His supreme creation. Your radiance shines in every atom of creation. Yet, our petty desires keep it hidden. Yes, it is our petty desires which keeps all the secrets hidden, and that is very pity. My beloved said, "My name is not complete without yours." And I thought, how could a human's worth ever be such? And he, knowing all our thoughts, and all our thoughts are just innocent steps on the path, addressed my heart, revealing a sublime truth to the world when he sang, "I am made whole by your life, each soul completes me." The soul in us says, "I am a soul, however, I have got 1,000 bodies." There are a lot of people who say, "my" and "I." There is no one to simply say, "I am you." The work is always inside you. This knot does not get untied by listening to the stories of other people. The well inside your house is better water than the river that runs through town. Yes, for that you have to find a Kamil Piro Murshid. The soul is here for its own joy. Some human beings are safe havens. Be companions with them. And those safe havens are Kamil Piro Murshid. Yes, they are Allah Walas. Find one and one can become a Wali Allah, an immortal soul. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. Here Rumi Rahmatullah Alai says, find a Kamil Piro Murshid. The destiny of a person is determined by their efforts. Yes, what we sow, so shall we reap. The seed which is not willing to let its shell rot cannot bear fruits. You and I know it very well. Isn't it how plants grow, my dear friends? Yes. Here, Ibn Arabi Rahmatullah Alai is referring us to a seed. So, what we have to do is kill our ego and become everything by becoming nothing. I am free as the wind, and I feel at home wherever there is a gathering of the lovers. And in the room of the lovers, I can see with closed eyes the beauty that dances. Behind the veils and intoxicated with love, I too dance the rhythm of this moving world. Yes, the Sufi dance, you remember? This is what it is referring to. If you could get rid of yourself just once, here Rumi Rahmatullah Alai is talking about ego. Yeah, kill that ego so that the secret of the secrets would open to us and the treasure would be thrown open to us. Yeah, the face of the unknown hidden beyond the universe would appear on the mirror of our perception. And that definitely happens. And you have to have that firm belief. Someone asks, but what is love? Answer, dissolving the will. Oh beloved, let all lovers be content. Give them happy endings. Let their lives be celebrations. Let their hearts dance in the fire of your love. How beautiful. Whoever has achieved this state has become all Wali Allahs, all saints. Yeah. And they all have become immortal. And that's why their death, their union is celebrated as Urus. Urus means feast. Who am I? Just my name. The rest is him, him, him. You know something? God's slave is a free man. Yes, you heard me right. God's slave is a free man. Understand the in-depth meaning of this quote. He says, I want you without you. Let me repeat. He says, I want you without you. The inspiration you seek is already within you. So be silent and listen. And to do so, a Kamil Pir or Murshid will help you. And believe me, it's the most beautiful music you will hear. You are the bird of happiness in the magic of existence. What a pity when you let yourself be chained and caged. How your desires, your ego, your emotions of hatred and jealousy. Think about it. So, find one such Kamil Piro Murshid for yourself. Well, the real guide is the one who makes you see your inner beauty. Let me remind you, real power resides in submission, a power that comes within. Yes. When everyone is trying to be something, you be nothing. And see, you will become everything. That which cannot be put into words can only be grasped through silence. Yes, the most beautiful things in life can only be experienced, not explained. The summary of the advice of all prophets is this: find yourself a mirror. That means find yourself a Kamil Piro Murshid who will show you your inner beauty. Most of conflicts and tensions are due to language. Don't pay so much attention to the words. In love's country, language doesn't have its place because love is mute. You are a volume. Yes, you are a volume in the divine book, a mirror to the power that created the universe. Whatever you want, ask it of yourself. Whatever you're looking for can only be found inside of you. This universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. So why wait? Embark on the journey of love. It takes you from yourself to yourself. Oh soul, you worry too much. You have seen your own strength. You have seen your own beauty. You have seen your golden wings. Of anything less? Why do you worry? You are in truth the soul of the soul of the soul.